I am Dr. S. Meghala, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Now I am going to talk about Azospirillum. Azospirillum is an anaerobic bacterium which is grown into a wide, dense colony on the semi-solid medium. It fixes the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. It invades the root system of grasses like Digitaria, Panicum, Sorghum, Triticum, etc. and forms symbiotic association with the root system. The cells of Azospirillum fix the nitrogen in the soil. Second, isolation of Azospirillum. Azospirillum is an obligated anaerobic bacteria found in the inner and outer surface of the root system of plants. So, the usual method available for the isolation of aerobic and anaerobic microbes are not applicable for the isolation of Azospirillum. So, an alternative method is adopted to isolate the bacteria from the root system of plants. The different steps of isolations of Azospirillum are given below. First, the plants are uprooted from the soil and the root systems are washed well with distilled water to remove the soil particles from the roots. Second, the roots are cut into small pieces and inoculated in a semi-solid medium. Sometimes soil sample are also used in the isolation of Azospirillum. For this purpose, the soil sample is dissolved in water. The soil solution is inoculated on the nutrient medium. Third, the medium must contain sodium malachite or calcium malate as carbon sources which favor the growth of the bacteria during incubations. Fourth one, the culture is incubated at 28 to 30 degrees Celsius for about 2 days in order to facilitate the better growth of the bacteria. Fifth one, a dense of mat of bacteria appears just below 1 to 2 millimeter from the surface of the nutrient medium. The semi-solid medium itself develop a partial oxygen pressure and allow the Azospirillum to grow in the medium. It grows rapidly within 1 hour in the medium containing ammonium salt. These bacterial cells are also found to be present in the stem and the xylem vessels of roots. Identifications of Azospirillum. The bacteria characteristics features which are the useful in the identifications of Azospirillum are stated below. Azospirillum form white, dense, pellicle-like mass of the cells in the semi-solid nutrient medium. It's a curved, rod-shaped bacterium containing fat droplets in its cells. It is a gram-negative bacteria containing polyhydroxybutyrate granules. The cells is spiral in organizations. The cell show its characteristics spiral movement. The colony of Azospirillum has a nitrogenous activity. It grows rapidly in the medium containing any one of the organic acids like malate, succinate and pyruvate. The bacterial colony having above the characteristics features is selected and mass culture in a large container. Azospirillum includes 3 species of bacteria which from the symbiotic association with the root of higher plants. They are Azospirillum lipoferum, Azospirillum brasillensis and Azospirillum amazonensis. All these 3 species differ from one another in their structure and behavior. Mass culture and maintenance of Azospirillum. The selected strains of bacteria is cultured in a medium containing ammonium chloride. The ammonium chloride allows the cells to grow in a large number while it prevents the nitrogen fixation during the culture of the microbes. For the large scale productions of Azospirillum, large sized flasks are used. The liquid medium is treated with a sufficient amount of ammonium chloride. A sample of Azospirillum is inoculated into the medium. The culture is incubated at 35 degrees Celsius for 3 days. Sometimes the culture is kept on shaker systems to facilitate the cell culture. The culture inoculum is stored in a carrier based inoculum or used directly to fertilize the field. This image shows that moss cultivations of Azospirillum. First one, mother inoculum. Second one, the culture inoculated in broth for small flask. Third one, the culture inoculated in broth for big flask or bottle. Fourth one, shakers for the conical flask for one method, or you need the large scale cultivation used to the fermenter. Fifth one, broth quality checking. Sixth one, the broth is blended with sterilized carrier beet or lignite. Seventh one, packing in polythene pack. Eighth one, we are storing for the 25 degree Celsius, and then peat culture quality checking, and then store for the 4 degree Celsius, finally dispatched to the farmers. Carrier based inoculum for storage. Powder, farmyard manure and soil, or farmyard manure alone, or farmyard manure plus charcoal is used to preserve the inoculum for the storage. The inoculum is mixed with the carrier and allowed to dry in air. The inoculum is stored at 4 degrees Celsius. This method is used to store the organism for about 31 weeks. The farmyard manure with soil carrier shows better response than the other type of carriers. The viability of cells can be measured by the cells counting method or by the colony counting method. Methods of applications of Azospirillum. The cultured inoculum is mixed with a carrier mixtures. The farmyard manure and soil in 1:1 ratio and stored at room temperature. This carrier based inoculum is used in seed treatment. 12 gram of carboxymethyl cellulose is added to 1 liter of inoculum. It acts as a pelleting agent and cause the sticking of inoculums on the seeds. Thus, the inoculum is spread over the field along with the seeds during sowing. The inoculum is sprinkled directly over the seeds on a sheet of polythene paper. Then the seeds are mixed well for the proper mixing of inoculum and the seeds. The roots of the plants are immersed in diluted inoculum just before transplantation. Crop response. The grain crops like rice, wheat, barley, etc. give high yield when the seeds are treated with Azospirillum inoculum before sowing. During transplantations, the roots of rice seedling are tipped in the slurry of diluted inoculum. Such seedling treatment increase the yield of straw and grain. Such paddy crop require only a small amount of commercial nitrogen fertilizer during cultivations. This increase the yield is due to the productions of IAA. IAA means indole acetic acids, gibberellic acids and cytokinins by the bacteria. Thank you.